Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't known me yet, I am Karin Love and this is my channel. Welcome, welcome, and welcome. So for today's video, guys, we will be doing a decluttering my sewing machine. Well, actually, guys, this is not my sewing machine. It's because saka auntie na ko ni siya. It's my auntie's property, but then it's been 5 years already. I think it's been 5 years already that kanang gidala ang sewing machine diri sa province. And muna siya, nakana ko nga, ako na siya property. Char. Kanang, ako naman good ang nagamit. So, I'm the one who, commonly use this sewing machine. So, I could say that part of it is mine and part of it is not. I'm using this because I am opening a business, a curtain business wherein I will cater some orders or kanang mga sa balay-balay lang yun sa mga silingan. So, nagtahi ko and then nakita na ko nga hugaw kaayo. Hugaw kaayo siya, guys. So, that's it. So, that is what I'll be doing right now, decluttering it. Kay grabe siya kahugaw. Wait. Say hi to the vlog, mother dear. Ihang schedule ron.
This is my schedule for washing.
Karon ra. So guys, here's the sewing machine. So that is the sewing machine, guys. Look. So sorry if hugaw kayong balay. Ayun, nakapilagtan on you guys. So muna siyang sewing machine and because nagtahi man ko, so muna siya kahugaw dari. Sorry. At ito yung sample na ginawa ko. Awa, naglibog na ko. Bisaya, Tagalog, ug English. Okay. Multi-language. Multi-dialect. So, muna siya akong gikuan. I'm gonna be showing to you this one later on. But first, look how messy it is. Awa siya kahugaw. Look. Si mama ganina, sige na ko giyaw-yawan. Nga no dugay kuno kay ko nang limpyo dere niya akong ingon kay. Mag-video man ko, mag-decluttering ko ane. So, muna siya karon. Ano siya kay singer. Baloon sa ni siya model mo. Guro ni ang model. 974. Tanawa ka messy. Oh my god. So muna siya. Kani siya kay electric. You can use this kanang sa electric. Kanang ano ba? Electricity. Kani siya. Then kani siya if mano-mano lang. If para di siya kalas ang kuryente. But it's not working anymore. But murag okay pa man ni masa? Yeah. Una siya ang kuan pero grabe kahugaw, messy kaayo. So first, di siya ako. It's not mine. It's for the donation. Ito na ga. Oh. Dagan kayong cloth nga. I don't know if feel ako magamit pa man ni siya pero so yun na siya, guys. Done decluttering or organizing my things in my sewing machine. So here is it. Ewan ko lang kung may napapansin kayo na pagbabago o wala. O yan. Dito rin sa loob. Feel ko wala naman eh. Pero yan lang. Na-organize ko lang yung mga things ko. Nalinisan ko na rin yung sewing machine ko. Before ako mag-proceed sa next clip, is that I just wanna shout out to Alvin Silveta and Lester M. Zamora and his family. He's one of my very supportive though dili na ko sila kaila personally, but they're like encouraging me to do vlogging to post some videos on my YouTube channel. So that is very heartwarming for me, guys. I know this decluttering my sewing machine is not everyone is interested with this one, but I hope you will learn something from this video, from this next clip that I will be showing to you, because this is about sewing. Yes, about sewing, how to yes, this is a continuation video on my last video clip. Well, actually that last clip was being filmed last day, I don't know. Today is July 17. Oh, I mean 18. Yes, July 18, 9:15 p.m. And right now what I'm doing is that I'm finishing one order, two pair of curtains, color yellow, green, and pink, as you can see that one. So I'm gonna show you later on the finished product, guys. I really have to finish this order because I'm gonna deliver it tomorrow. So grabe siya, guys. Ako gipit panapton, ako deliver, so all around na this. I'm lowering my voice right now. It's because some of my family members are sleeping now, so I don't want to make them awake because of me speaking blah blah blah. And yes, that's it. I'm gonna show you how I did this, or not really detailed one, but I'm gonna tag you along with this journey until I'll be done with this project. Yes, you can see no, in the declutter ko last day, yes, last few days, and it's still a mess though. Declutter na organize siya gamay, and wala ko nagtiwas og vlog at it's because I lost my mood. Yes, ano siguro mabay no nga wala ang mood no, so ano siya. And yes, tingnan nyo, I don't know anong gagawin ko dyan. Grabe kahugaw, guys. I'm back in pila na ka days. Yesterday wala ako katahi, wala ako ka-prepare sa akong delivery, and wala na ako napadayon og delivery. It's because kanang run out na wala na ako ka-chat ang customer. Then today manako og, so this is it. Duha na siya ka curtains and manako plancha, and next thing I'm gonna do is that we're gonna put this one. So by the way, sorry about my face because bago pa ko ni mata. So let's cut this out. So ilalagay ko to dito sa loob. Ito na siya, guys. Ito na siya. I-deliver ko lang to mamaya. I-drop ko. Tapos ito na. Yay! Maganda ba yung packaging ko? So see you on my next vlog, guys. Bye-bye!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see.